Lesson 4. Level A2 to B1. Learn English through stories. Volume 1. Picasso. The rescue pig that became a famous artist. She sold many paintings to art enthusiasts around the world, had her own exhibition, and worked with Swatch to design a special limited edition watch. All of this happened in the first 3 years of her career. She is young, successful, talented, and she also is a pig. Here is how this 450-pound animal became an international sensation and one of the most unusual artists of all time. Named after the famous Spanish painter, Picasso was saved from a slaughterhouse in 2016 by a South African animal activist, Joanne Lefson. When the piglet was just 4 weeks old, Joanne brought her to Farm Sanctuary SA, an organization that aims to change how people see farm animals. Because pigs are known for their intelligence, Picasso's new keeper understood how important it was to give her many activities to choose from. Lefson threw her a tennis ball and a soccer ball, but for some reason, the pig was most attracted to paintbrushes. In fact, the brushes were the only thing she didn't try to destroy or eat. Everyone was surprised that she started picking them up, dipping them in paint, and creating abstract works of art. Picasso usually paints in the mornings and evenings, between her meals. Joanne prepares all the brushes and paints and helps the animal artist choose the colors that she wants to use. The extraordinary pig is a diva. She takes breaks to eat caramel popcorn and takes short naps. As Lefson says, Picasso also likes to know what is happening around the world. For one of her most interesting creations, Brexit, she used the colors of the British flag and wrote something that could be read as the word Brexit on top. Most of Picasso's works are similar, they are colorful and artistic. She also has a very special way of signing her paintings. She dips the tip of her nose in black paint or beetroot juice and leaves a mark on the canvas. Because Picasso is the only known painting pig, she quickly rose to fame not only in her native South Africa but also in many other countries around the world. In 2017, she became the first animal to ever host her own exhibition. Since then, many of her paintings have been sold for thousands of dollars worldwide. Importantly, all the money goes back to Farm Sanctuary SA to support its mission and create a better world for pigkind. The end of Lesson 4. This story is featured in this book, which includes 8 captivating stories in total. Each story comes with 16 engaging tasks designed to boost your vocabulary while sharpening your conversation and storytelling skills. Want to learn more? Check out the link in the description. Listen to the next story. Lesson 5. The man who was hit by lightning 7 times and survived. Level A2 to B1. Learn English through stories. Volume 1.